girl went to Ulta. I'm not too sure about it, but beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Destiny. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this is not your first time here, girl, make sure that you've hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I submit a new video. So without further ado, y'all seen the title, let's get into it. Your girl went to Ulta. Okay, so I went to Ulta and I've been out of a lot of things in my beauty room, and it's been like making my beauty routine suffer so much. So I had to go and pick up some of the things that are essential to my everyday makeup routine. So I have to make sure that I have all the products that I really like, and they just so happen to all be affordable. So I thought I would share a June Ulta haul with you guys. So let's just see what all I got. So I got my little baggie here. We're gonna jump right in. So I spent about $130-ish in Ulta getting all of my nice little affordable items that are essential to my makeup routine. A lot of this can also be found at like drugstores, Walmart, Target, stuff like that as well, Walgreens. But first we're gonna get into the E.I.f products. So I've been using this already, so it's open, but you know, whatever, neither here nor there. So I got the Matte Magic Mist and Set by E.I.f. And it's on my beauty table, but this is what she looks like. So I got this guy here. I have really oily skin, so I really love this for my everyday makeup routine. I spritz my face with a little bit of this before I get ready to go to work, and your girl's locked in and good to go. Then I also picked up from E.I.f this Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist up to 16-hour wear. So I've never tried this before actually, so I thought I would give it a go. Just see if it works out or not. I've used it like once since I purchased it, and it does have a really nice fine mister on it. As far as the 16-hour wear though, I'm not too sure about it, but if y'all follow me on Instagram, you can check in with me and see how that works out. But it's really nice. The mister is really nice on it, and it sets my makeup, so we'll keep you know, an eye out on her and see how she turns out. What else did we get? More E.I.f. So we'll just go to my holy grails. If you follow me, if you know anything about my makeup routine, you know that I have oily skin and that I live for E.I.f's 16-hour wear camo matte concealers. Love these bad boys. Literally use these every single day, okay? So in these shades, I got Deep Olive, which I use for my highlight. I got Deep Chestnut and Deep Cinnamon. I was using Rich Chocolate before, but I've been like taking better care of my skin, and so it's not as like dark around the bottoms of my bottom areas of my face, so I don't have to use the darker shade. But if you can see the difference in the tops here, this one's like a little more rich, and then this one's like a little more neutral. So I use the more rich one, the Deep Cinnamon, around the perimeter of my face, and then I use the Deep Chestnut like right in this area, and then I use the Deep Olive right under my eye and like in the middle of my forehead. Love these. They blend out like a dream. They're nice and velvety satin. Like, love them so much. They don't leave me looking cakey or crazy or nothing like that. Love them, love them, love them, love them. Also from E.I.f, I like to use a pencil, preferably to like do my brows every day instead of a pomade. Like when I'm getting glam, I prefer a pomade, but when I'm just doing my makeup every day to go to work, I prefer a pencil. So I picked up this little ultra precise brow pencil in brunette, and it gives me like the precisely my brow type of vibes. So I picked up one of these just to like go ahead and quickly fill in my brows every day. Gonna make it so easy, simple. Then I also got another plumping lip gloss. So I have one in nude, and I picked this one up in this pink Cosmo color. So it actually has like some like glitter reflex in it. So nice. I really enjoy these. They actually plump my lips for real, which I really, really like. And so popping this over, like I've been doing more pink lately. Oh my God, I think I like pink. If you know me, you know I haven't liked pink my whole life, and then something about turning 30 has just got me on the pink train. I don't know. But I figure if I wear a pink lip like this, I can probably pop this bad boy on top, and it would probably look really cute and give my lips a little boost. Let's try that and see how it looks. Let's see. Let's get her ready. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. So, ooh, pretty. But it's essentially like nude, just with a tiny pink, a little pink tint to it. And then it's got the plumping in it, so it gives you like that tingly feeling. I really like that. So I got that. Then I also got the E.I.f Poreless Putty Primer and the Universal Sheer tone. So I really like it. I've been using this one in matte, and I've noticed though that I don't know, 30. I've been noticing that I see a lot more of my pores now when I do my makeup, and I don't like that. I don't play like that. So I thought I would try this guy out and then just maybe set it with like a matte primer spray or something on top of it, but just to see if it really helps to minimize my pores or not. If y'all want to follow up on some of this stuff, let me know, and your girl will do another video. But I got that guy. What else did we get, girl? So we only got a few more items, and these are more my like get ready glam type of items that I needed to pick up again. So here I got the Morphe matte setting spray, which I absolutely love. It's the continuous setting spray. It's just the mattifying one. Again, oily skin. This bad boy keeps her real matte and flat like all night. Love her. Can't live without her. Need her always in my life. So I had to go get a new one of those. And then I also picked up the Juvias Place foundation because I'm running out. Also another matte product that I absolutely love. I'm sorry, let me not open it, but this is the packaging for it. it matches my nails, so cute. But I use the shade Burkina. I know this is a very like universal shade, but this is my shade. Literally, this little tube has lasted me for like, I wanna say 6 months, maybe more. I literally take the smallest dot of this foundation and it covers my entire face, matte all day long. These two, like holy grail for a beautiful glam look, and then you put your highlight on top of it. Perfection. Chef's kiss. Love these two together. Also from Juvias Place, I picked up the blushed Rougie, I think that's how you say it, volume 1 palette. This is a blush palette just because I'm like really into blush. That's like my favorite part of my routine. So I love Juvias Place, so I said let's, why not pick that up. So it's so pretty. Look at the pretty packaging. Of course, they always have really, really good packaging. But then, oh, inside, look at your girl, okay? Check her out. So pretty. We have a pink, and then we have more of a like orange tone. Right up my whole little alley. So I think these are gonna work out so bomb. Can't wait to use those. I have not used that yet. I just actually opened it with you guys, so. And then for my glam routine, so your girl was already at $130, and I was like, I suppose I came in here to get some stuff to go to work with, and here I am getting, other stuff. But I picked up another Precisely My brow pencil because again, like this one's more expensive, so I prefer to do this when I'm actually getting glam to go somewhere. But I got the little mini. I got it in shade 6. So yeah, I just got the little mini one. I have another one here in my kit, like the full size. Really love this. Like it works so good. And just like that other one from E.I.f, it's like essentially the same situation. This one's just more expensive, and I feel like this one gives me like a lot more hair-like strokes than the E.I.f one. But either way, like, they work out the same. So nonetheless, all affordable. Love everything from Ulta. Ulta is like, you love drugstore makeup, but you have a hard time like finding your shade or finding something that you're really looking for. Just go to Ulta because I mean, they have everything right there. Multiple shades, colors, everything that you're looking for, all at Ulta. So I will link all of the things that I got from Ulta down in the description bar. Be sure that you click those links, check out these products. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think if they become the holy grail for you, just like they are for me. But anyways, girl, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me. Again, my name is Destiny, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.